Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload video from gallery to Instagram Reels. The first thing you will need to do is go into Instagram. Once in the app, you're going to select the Reels option from the bottom of the screen right here. Then you're going to tap on the camera icon in the top right hand corner. Next, in the bottom left hand corner, you will see a pic of your gallery with a plus in a blue circle. You're going to tap on that and this will open up your gallery, and from here you can select the video that you would like to upload to Reels. For example, this video right here.
You're not always motivated in knowing for it, to tell you the truth.
Once you have selected the
because
video,
you're not a robot, but you have to discipline. We do it when we feel.
Corner. And next, you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner.
Always motivated in knowing for it, to tell you the truth, because you're not a robot, but you have to discipline. We do it when we feel like we don't want to do it, because we have to get it done. We wake up every day and get this thing done, not because we want to do it. All of we go through bad days, but we know so here we have a goal and we have to reach it. You understand? And time go. You get me? And when we lose yesterday, we can't complain about that. And tomorrow no exists, I just know. So I have to make the most and know.